Welcome back to the Mexican Food Channel. I have a special treat for you guys today. We're making this delicious, spicy, savory Michelada. This one won't have any alcohol, but if you want to add beer, you can. Alright, let's get started. You're gonna need a jar like this. And we're also gonna need a bunch of limes. Cut a little piece off. We're gonna rub it around the rim of the cup. We're gonna drop this on some Lucas, but we need something to help it stick, and this is going to help. You can use Tajin too if you like. Go ahead and drop it into your Lucas or your Tajin. This is gonna add an amazing flavor to our drink. We're gonna need some ice. I'd say the smaller the better. Drop some into the jar and add a splash of chamoy. It's already looking good. Get it all around the jar. And add some more ice. I like this kind of ice. You see how crunchy it is? It's perfect for the Michelada. Just drop it in there. Fill it all the way to the top. Give it another little splash of chamoy. And by little, I mean a Mexican splash. Go ahead and add the juice of 3 limones, or lime. If you like yours with more limon, go ahead and add 2 more. But let's get crazy. So are you a subscriber already? If not, go ahead and subscribe. It really helps out our channel. And a little bit more chamoy. This is optional. I just like mine a little spicy. Que pague el de atrás. Go ahead and add your mineral water. I really like this one from H-E-B because it's lime flavor. Ooh. Add it all the way to the top. Give it a nice little stir. And we're gonna add some more Tajin on the top. You can be as generous as you like. Right, my boy? I'm gonna eat this with a couple of snacks. I'm gonna start off with some squiggles. We're having a spicy day today. Throw a little bit of this in the Michelada. It's a little extra with the Tajin, but hey, we're Mexican. Would you look at that? It looks delicious. A ver, let's do the taste test. And now the Michelada. Oh my god, this is so good. I really recommend this. To continue the spicy day, I'm also making spicy oranges. Go ahead and slice them up like this. It makes it a little easier to peel off the skin like this. We're doing this together, so go ahead and take your time. Now that they're all peeled, go ahead and cut up a lime like this. We're gonna put 2 halves for the taste test. And go ahead and squeeze the other ones. We're gonna add a splash of chamoy. Well, a bunch of splashes. You can add as much chamoy as you like. We're having a spicy day, remember? I have a little bit of the orange left, so I'm gonna add the juice on top. This is some chile suave. Go ahead and add some on top. Alright, it's taste test time. Go ahead and add your lime on top. This looks so good. Add the lime juice on top, make it extra delicious. And let's try this out. This is perfect. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you guys liked today's recipes. See you next week, maybe.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you on the next one. Love ya!